Hi everyone, today we're going to be learning how to make a low-carb raspberry mojito. As I'm sure a lot of you know, low-carb diets are very in right now. The keto diet was actually the #1 searched diet last year in 2018. And not only is this keto friendly and low-carb friendly, it's actually diabetic friendly because we're going to be using a sweetener substitute called erythritol, and the name brand is Swerve. So the ingredients that you're going to need is a half a cup of mint, a half a cup of raspberries, 4 tablespoons of erythritol, 2 limes, a can of club soda, and then any brand of white rum will do. So first, you need to muddle together the mint, the raspberries, the sweetener, and the lime. And what muddling means is that you're just basically crushing up these ingredients to get all the flavors out, and that's what adds the flavor to your drink. So you need half of each cup in each drink, because this is enough for 2 drinks. This one needs more. There we go. And then you're gonna put the sweetener in. You're gonna squeeze a whole lime into every drink. And then you're gonna muddle them together. So normally you can buy a muddler, but if you don't have one at home, you can just use a simple spoon. The key to muddling though is that you don't want to break up those mint leaves, because the little veins that are in the leaves actually release chlorophyll into the drink, and chlorophyll makes the drinks really bitter. So you're gonna squish all of these ingredients together, and as soon as you can start smelling the mint flavor, that is the perfect time to stop muddling. So we're just squeezing all these flavors together to add the flavor to our drinks. All right, now we're gonna add our ice cubes. And then each drink has 2 ounces of rum. So I have 4 ounces here measured out, and we'll just do half in each cup. Make sure. All right. And then the last step of things that you're gonna add is the club soda, and there's not really a right or wrong reason. You just top it off until your glass is full. Muddle and just mix everything together. It's going to turn a really pretty pink color. And then an optional step, but the one I always like to do because it makes your drink look pretty, is to add your garnish. So you just add a couple raspberries right on top, and then a few mint leaves just to stick out of your glass. And then that is how you make a low-carb raspberry mojito.